Hi guys, I got here a 2020 Chevy Blazer. Rear end, place liftgate, place bumper, and who knows what's behind it. So the space between the gap of the tires and the fender flare, or fender mud flaps, rear bumper mud flaps, it's really tight. So I did get what do you call this, stubby or not stubby? Yeah, it's stubby. C15 on this side. You have to remove the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and once in After this thing is out, there is 1, 2, oh, 1 and 2 right there. C15 that you have to remove, and there's another one here, right there. So there's 3. Right, so see that? This one is kind of, there you go. Just this shit. Avoid scratching this. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. Yeah, right here. There you go. That's how you do it. See? So remove the fender flare, so it's just clips. The one I told you, just rivet it, just leave it. This one. And underneath, one torque 15 here, one torque 15 over here. There you go. That's you have to take that off. There you go. That's how you remove the rear bumper of your